Hello friend, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can send attach file through Gmail in Android phone. Okay, so we need to go Gmail, click on it, Gmail, then go to Compose. You can see here Compose, click on it, and after getting the interface of Compose, then we need to set the email address who to send to them. So I just given one address. Okay, so if you want to write something what is the related to this email, you can set the name according to your email. So I just click demo purpose. So when you finish this compose, then simply go to attach file. Okay, you can find here attached. So click on it, and here is two option: attach file and insert from drive. Attach file means if you send something which are existing in your memory, phone memory or SD card, then you will find them there. Okay, so if you want to send some file which are existing in your drive, Google Drive, then you can select second one, or first one is the memory. Okay, attach file, and then you can see your memory. So select anything you want. So you can select image, audio, video, you can see here. So okay friend, I think uh, this is not today's no more. So thank you for watching.